So a lot of people out there that hate cleaning the toilets, I got something for you. This right here is the new Flush and Sparkle cleaning system by Fluidmaster. And it's going to come with two different styles of cartridge. Okay, this is the disinfectant, the blue that everybody loves to have in their toilet. And this is bleach. Okay, but the nice thing about this is the bleach or the blue never gets inside your tank, so it doesn't corrode any of the gaskets or pieces. Those folks on septic, they haven't left you out either. They sell green ones. I'm going with blue today, just so you can see the contrast from the tank to bowl. Just simply take this. If you don't hit that float right there, you don't even have to shut your water off, all right? Just pop that off right there. Pop that off right there. Get that all hooked up. This one right here, we're gonna clip, set that right down on there, go all the way to the bottom. We've got our new little cartridge. It's got an O-ring right there that seals. It'll slide and turn into place. There are two little arrows right there. Once those are lined up, this is locked. And then we're able to flush. These cartridges right here will last you up to 3 months, maybe longer, depending on how much you flush. And still no blue in the tank. If you folks want to try out one of these cleaning systems, well, go to fluidmaster.com. They sell them in a 2-pack. All right, back in the game.